Yeah, it's that time of year again. Fireworks. Let's go in and get some goodies.
Are you actually surprised you're made in China?
This is what I ended my shopping with. However, there's bound to be plenty of deletion, and you don't really see everything in here, but a good chunk of it. These are my fireworks for this particular year. As I have here for my layout, which is going back to my original style, you can see that I have a lot of the familiar stuff like smoke balls, that's what these are, and firecrackers, and one particular thing I'm really going to go crazy on. More firecrackers, cracker balls. You know how that crackling smoke in a box is, right? But I do have a few odd new ones in here too, of course. Mostly for nighttime stuff. Ready, go! New this year, I have a tripod, which means I can also be very close to the fireworks for recording, but I can also be very far. Leave my camera fairly close, but also reasonably safe, and get myself farther away, and there you have it. I can get some really good close-ups. And very steady instead of wiggling around like this, just as an exaggerated example. So, all I gotta do is mount my camera on here. It's secured. Now, look how much more stable that is. Ain't that nice? And by the way, I can pan around like this to give you a sense on what the area looks like. And I can also pitch up and down. And from there, I can do some really good stuff. You want to see some of the other familiar stuff really close? Well, that's what I'm going to show you. Now you're familiar with smoke balls, right? From this farther away distance that you're probably more used to. It's lit. Okay. Intermittent. Okay, that didn't really seem too exciting. Now, how about an extreme close-up? Zoom. Zoom. Look how much I can really zoom into that. Okay, gotta make sure it's in the view. And it's slightly off, but close. Of course, this thing is rather touchy. So, here's your extreme close-up. Enjoy! Of course, it also doesn't help that I got rain to deal with. Yeah, that's right. Rain. Not very exciting, huh? Especially over here where it's really bad. I don't like the way that looks, and there's more coming. This is not really a good day for fireworks, that's for sure. Surely you're familiar with cracker balls, right? Well, here's a super close-up of one going off. Like I said, super close-up. 32 smoke balls going off all at once. How do you suppose that's going to look up really close? Well, this one's a little tricky to do, but I need to aim this thing just right. Let's see if you can target this. Like that. That sounded a lot like a big burst of wind, didn't it? Like a 40-mile-an-hour wind. 16 all blue smoke balls. This case will be a little bit different. Yes, that was a cracker ball thrown in just for the fun of it.
Stop it.
After an unexpected 20-minute delay because of this, rain, I'm going back to the works again. It's really dark over there. There's a sister there. It's all nice and quiet over there. That's that almost. And up above, well, you're not really seeing too much, but there's a kind of an interesting gap right there. And there's a gap right up in there too. But there's a lot of high clouds around, such as especially this one right over here. Reduce the exposure, but I gotta manually go through the menus just to do that, which is after that big bunch of rain that came by, it's time to go at doing this again. Let's see, how should I effectively light this? Get out of here, fly. That time, it finally got them all. Lots of green, one leads to another. I wonder if it'll all go off at once, without any odd stops. Let's find out. Where should I start? I think right here. And I missed 2 of them. So close, but well, at least it's a quick fix. Yes, this is firecrackers. You know what happens when they get lit, right? Well, here's a close-up. A little bit different than you're probably used to. Delayed so much thanks to stupid rain that just won't keep going away. It just keeps coming back, goes away, comes back and goes away. Thanks to that, I have ended up having a really long delay and double crackling smoke in a box. Hopefully this time I can get it all to go off at once. Case in point, unfortunately, it looks like it kind of failed. Here's attempt 2 at it. Get away.
Wanna try it?
Get away. Now that was exciting. That one worked out a lot better. But now I gotta go back inside the car because RAIN exclamation. Yeah, that didn't work out right. Smashing rainbow. crashing rainbow. Long-stemmed spray. Never-ending fountain.
The long stem up here.
A lot shorter than I was expecting. Neon rainbow. Finale. That was actually 4x of the crashing rainbow.
There's no wildlife sounds.
Here we go. This Fireworks 2014 video was created